It was not yet clear that COVID-19 was going to evolve into a pandemic when South Korea saw its first confirmed case in the beginning of 2020. Public perceptions of the virus seems to have changed quite a lot over the past 3 years. Our Kim Yeon-seung tells us more about that change.
It's been 3 years since South Korea's first case of COVID-19. Worries over a new infectious disease scared people off the streets and even emptied out this bustling neighborhood of Sinchon. But now the streets are bustling with people again who have become used to living side by side with the virus.
I think COVID-19 has become a lot like the common cold.
We have 10 people in our family, but everyone has had COVID except for one person. It's become really common.
At first, people were more scared of it, but now it's way more normal.
Throughout the pandemic, South Korea went through a pack of different prevention policies, from detailed contact tracing to the social gathering limits that only allow 2 people at one sitting after 6 p.m. Usually this street is packed with customers, with tables filling up this entire space here. But on the day that the level 4 measures are starting, the area has gone mostly empty. All these changes had deep-reaching effects on people's lives.
It was tough because we're students and all our classes went online after COVID.
A lot of the local businesses closed down due to COVID. Even now, there are a lot of stores that are empty.
In that time, public perception of COVID has changed quite a lot as well. Even while COVID numbers climbed to the hundreds of thousands, people started to perceive COVID as less and less risky. This change in view has led to new perspectives on the old health measures.
At the time, I was very conservative about COVID-19, so I thought all these measures were very necessary. But in hindsight, they seem a bit extreme and may have restricted a lot of people's freedom.
Back in 2019, nobody had even heard of the coronavirus. As we gain more knowledge, it's healthy to reevaluate our viewpoints so that we are better prepared for future crises. Kim Yeon-seung, Arirang News.